Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can join hide and seek game on Among Us, or how you guys can create a hide and seek game on Among Us. Now to join a hide and seek game, what you can do is click on play over here. Once you click on play, click on online. Now if you want to join a public hide and seek game, you can click on find game first. Once you're in find game, over here where it says classic, click on it and choose hide and seek. Once hide and seek is highlighted over here, click on this reload button. Then it's going to show you hide and seek only game. So whichever game you join from here, it is only going to be hide and seek. So that is how we guys can join or play hide and seek in Among Us. And if you want to create a hide and seek game, you want to click on create game right below host. And from over here where it says game type, make sure hide and seek is chosen. Once hide and seek is chosen, you can select all the other options according to your wish, click and confirm, and you will create a hide and seek game. So that is how we guys can join and create a hide and seek game on Among Us. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future Among Us videos just like this. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye until then. Have a nice day.